Donuts. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube, and today we're right outside of Columbia, South Carolina, and we have found this really cool place called Chickenbutt Donuts. Now with a name like Chickenbutt, this place has gotta be fun, right? Let's go try them out, come on. Welcome to Chickenbutt Donuts. When we first opened and we were trying to figure out what kind of theme we wanted for the place, my kids came in and hit me with that first grade comedy classic. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? And what? Chicken butt! Blah! Occurred to me, chicken butt rhymes with donut. Man, that's fun to say. And we've been using it ever since.
We can't come to Chickenbutt Donuts without getting a chicken butt donut. A donut shaped like a chicken butt.
We make donuts to order the way that Subway makes sandwiches. All you have to do is choose whatever glazes, spreads, toppings, fillings, and drizzles you want on your vanilla cake donut.
Check out the Elvis banana cream spread, bacon, Reese's peanut butter drizzle. Elvis would be proud.
Thank you.
And speaking of Elvis, Elvis is a subscriber to our channel, and you should be a subscriber too. If you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notification button. All right, Chickenbutt Donuts is the official donut of Lake Murray, South Carolina. And in Lake Murray, I'm told that there's actually a lake monster.
Lake Murray monster has been around for a long while. He usually takes winters off, but when the summer approaches, he can be seen out and about. Come into the shop, get our Lake Murray monster donut for an idea of what he looks like.
We now have our full list. Dozen beautiful pastries. Yum. All right, guys, I gotta take my list now up to the counter and turn it in.
Donuts.
Look at this box of donuts. We're getting a Pershing. We're getting an apple fritter, classic apple fritter, but also an apple fritter with a cinnamon glaze.
The Pershing is a cinnamon roll made with donut batter. Okay? Our Pershings are yeast raised with a very light cinnamon added on.
The classic glaze, the base on which all donuts are made. This is what every donut shop is judged on. Gotta go for the chicken butt. Can't come to Chickenbutt without going for the chicken butt. Here we go. All right, so I got a little chicken butt right here in the middle. We got the chicken feet sticking out of the back. It's the back end of a chicken. Not every day do you eat a chicken butt. And that is just like the perfect cake donut texture. Just naked, the cake donut is good. So here we go. Okay. I said the naked donut by itself was good. You just add that classic glaze on there and oh man, there's not too much and not too little. It's the perfect amount of glaze. All right guys, so while you're here, you can pick you up some merch. They have a few things there, but here's what we got for us. We got us a Chickenbutt donut magnet to go on our refrigerator. This is Oh My. Oh My is the mystery donut for today. White buttercream dipped in chocolate. I gotta try the Oh My. See if this is worthy of the Oh My. Oh My. Miss Sue, she comes up with the creations of these donuts. Sue, you hit it out of the park with Oh My. If you are anywhere near Columbia, South Carolina, you make your way to Chickenbutt Donuts. Do not miss it. Get a smattering of everything. Everything's delicious. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you.